Good morning. Thought we'd do another unboxing. This is the messages from the Spiritsof Nature Oracle by Dr. Stephen D. Farmer. It's a 44-card deck and guidebook. Discover the messages that the spirits in the trees, rivers, stones, and animals long to share. When you work with this oracle, you enter into a collaboration with the spirit of nature on each card, sparking your intuition to receive insights and healing. As you continue to work directly with the nature spirit, you will receive guidance along your life path and feel a greater sense of connectedness to all of creation. So let's get into it. Discover the magic of communicating with the spirits of the natural world. The meanings are pretty long. But it's a nice book. And here are the cards. It's with air and apple tree, butterfly. Okay, these are pretty cards. Oops. Hurricane. So there you go. It's by Dr. Stephen D. Farmer again, and it's messages from the Spiritsof Nature Oracle. The cards are really nice. This is the back. And they're quite thick. So there you go. I hope you enjoy it.